Hello and welcome to ABAP Programming Complete course. In the last video, we discussed about an introduction to SAP. Basically, we had an overview of SAP. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the next topic, which is types of users in SAP and functional and technical modules in SAP. So let's get started with the video. Very first thing that we will discuss now is what is a functional and technical module in SAP. For that, basically, let us understand that SAP system comprises of standard applications. SAP system is built of many standard applications that is designed to meet some business functionality of an enterprise. For example, let's say we have the sales department, we have the materials management department, we have the finance team, and so on. So SAP calls these business areas as functional areas, or in other words, you can say functional modules. So basically, SAP terms all these business areas as functional modules. Below is the partial list of SAP functional modules. Definitely, SAP has a big list of functional modules. So for example, we have production planning, materials management, sales and distribution, finance, accounting and controlling, asset management, and so on. So basically, there are a lot of functional modules, or you can say business areas defined in SAP. Now, the consultants who work in these functional modules, they are known as SAP functional consultants. To be a functional consultant, you should have the domain experience. That is, if you want to work as a SAP FI functional consultant, then you should have the domain knowledge of finance, plus you should know how to work on the SAP system, that is how to configure the SAP system. Then apart from functional consultants, we do have technical consultants, and obviously the technical consultants work on the SAP technical modules. So what are the technical modules in SAP? Now, ABAP, which stands for Advanced Business Application Programming, is a technical module in SAP. There are other technical modules as well, like BIBW, Process Integration, Enterprise Portal, SAP HANA, SAP Basis, GRC or Security. So like that, we do have a good list of SAP technical modules as well. Now, in order to basically work in a technical module, or to, let's say, work in SAP ABAP, definitely you will try to gain the knowledge of SAP ABAP. You will do programming in SAP ABAP. Now let's say we talk about the SAP Basis Consultant. Now SAP Basis Consultant basically performs more of a administration role. Their main activity is to administer the SAP system. Similarly, we have the security, SAP GRC security team, which mostly deals with the security aspect of the SAP system. So like that, we have a lot of modules in SAP, and each of them does require some training before you actually start working in those modules. So obviously our objective of this course is to learn ABAP. Next, let us see another topic which is related to this, that is types of users in SAP. Now there are three types of users in SAP. We basically have, you can say, the end users. We have the functional and technical consultants. So in short, we can say there are two types of users in SAP, by the way. So what these end users are? Now, you are basically working as a ABAP consultant or maybe a functional consultant, but the actual users of the SAP system, the people who perform the daily business process using the SAP system, that is the persons who use the SAP system to accomplish their day-to-day business activities, these people are called as the end users. So these are the persons who are actually running the business. And the SAP consultants, they are supporting the SAP system. So whether you are a functional consultant or a technical consultant, you basically belong to the IT team of the organization and you support the SAP system.
That's all in this video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon.